Hey guys, I'm Logan. We're up to Season 5, Episode 4 of Game of Thrones. Here we go. Oh, okay.
You ever been to Dawn?
No?
I have. The Dornish are crazy. All they want to do is
Kidnapping that princess. We're rescuing my niece, bringing her back to her family.
Your daughter.
your niece.
He murdered my father. If I ever see him, I'll split him in two. And then I'll give him your regards.
Bullshit.
The small council grows smaller and smaller.
Not small enough. What would you say if I told you of a great sinner in our very midst, shielded by gold and privilege?
May the Father judge him justly.
What the hell is this shit?
This is not Peter Baelish's establishment.
What the hell is... This is wild. This is chaos.
Get your hands up!
Sir Loras of House Tyrell, you have broken the laws of gods and men. Who do you think you are?
Why is my brother in a cell?
I don't know. I'll set him free for you.
Do you promise?
Just when I thought Cersei was falling a little...
I
She's
demand
not.
that Sir Loras be freed now.
Why the hell would you give this man power?
Give the order, and we'll clear out this rabble.
You mean kill them? Here at the set.
You'd be sending them to meet the gods that they love.
Oh my god!
We'll find another way. There was no way to free Sir Loras without violence.
You're the king of the Andals, the lord of the Seven Kingdoms, the protector of the realm. And you let a band of fanatics imprison your brother by law.
Who's then? I gave you nothing but weakness.
Oh, shut up. My daughter is not weakness.
Not him.
I know. I'm sorry, but we need men and supplies. And Roose Bolton's the warden of the
He
north.
murdered my brother.
We swore to be the watchers on the wall.
Let me show you what you're fighting for.
You're gonna show me some vision in the fire. Forgive me, my lady.
What the...
Two parts of a greater whole.
You think this is going to convince him?
There's power.
I know. But I still love her.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
The grayscale would go slow. Let you grow just enough to know the world before taking it away from you. Everyone advised me to send you to the ruins of Valyria to live out your short life with the stone men before the sickness spread through the castle. I told them all to go to hell. Every healer, every apothecary. They stopped the disease and saved your life. You are the Princess Shireen of House Baratheon. And you are my daughter.
He was. Until he rode right past his wife. And the Immortal. And all the smiles died. I've never seen so many people so quiet. and he lay a crown of winter roses in Lyanna's lap, blue as frost. How many tens of thousands had to die because Rhaegar chose your aunt?
Yes, he chose her. And then he kidnapped her and raped her.
Stannis Baratheon garrisons at Castle Black. He'll march south to King's Landing before the winter snows block his way. But first, he has to take Winterfell.
You don't know that.
I do. Once he liberates these lands from the Boltons, the valley of father's bannermen to his cause.
It blows my mind how good he is.
Most military commander in Westeros. A betting man would put his money on Stannis. As it happens, I am a betting man.
And if you're right?
Stannis takes Winterfell. He rescues you from the most despised family in the north. Grateful for your late father's courageous support of his claim, he names you Wardeness of the North. He needs you.
And what if you're wrong? What if Stannis never attacks Winterfell, or he does and the Boltons defeat him?
Then you will take this Bolton boy, Ramsay, and make him yours.
Don't know how to do that.
Of course you do. He's already fallen for you. You'll be strong without me. The North will be yours.
This is such an interesting pair. Oh.
How do you want to go?
Yeah, I'm sick of the woman.
She want the same thing?
Is that the foreshadowing?
How many you count?
4.
How many do you think you can take?
1.
One.
Slow. Who are you?
Cooper. This is Darnell.
You're from King's Landing.
Axon gave me away.
Thought the sharks would get us. There are no sharks in Dorne. I have sworn those were shark fins.
Oh!
That one should be slow enough.
Oh my god, he's a big man! Jesus, Jamie! Oh.
A ship's captain who found me in Plankytown claiming he had information to sell. He told me he smuggled Jaime Lannister into Dorne.
He's come from...
I made my choice long ago.
Going the wrong way. My sister's in Westeros.
Ah, he's taking it to the other queen.
Is west. Queen Daenerys Targaryen. She's the queen I serve.
Hell yes.
What a waste of a good kidnapping. So happens I was heading there myself. What business would you have with a queen? Gold and glory. Now you hope to win back her favor with a gift. Risk. You think Daenerys will execute me and pardon you? I'd say the reverse is just as likely.
Come on, Jorah. What are you doing?
Your Grace, today is the traditional start of the fighting season.
I do not recognize this tradition.
Traditions are the only thing that will hold this city, your city, together. Without them, former slaves and former masters have nothing in common.
What the hell is going on?
I can't promise this is the answer.
Oh, great. They led him into a trap. Dude, Grey Worm is unreal. Shit. Yes, yes, yes. Yes! Oh god! No! 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 Oh! He's dead? Jorah is very desperate to get back. That's the truth. Ah! I hope he's not dead. He looked like he died, though. Oh. Jaime and Bronn are in Dorne. The High Sparrow is slowly, like, causing chaos and taking control of King's Landing. I guess not completely, like, taking control, but, like, he has some crazy power. Sansa's playing the game. Really good game. Her and Baelish are playing a really good game. They got some plan. I don't know what it is, but it's an interesting one. It's a good one. I'll say that. Jon is... I don't know. I still don't know what he's going to do. You know, he says he's going to stay at the castle in the Night's Watch, but ultimately, what's he gonna do? You know? I'm still waiting on the White Walkers. Where have they been? They have been like a silent problem that's out there, but nobody's talking about them. I don't know if they can rule, but I would certainly put their name up there as a potential threat, a huge threat in this ginormous war. Stannis is still in it. I think he's gaining ground. Lannisters, Tyrells, Baelish. Does Baelish want the throne? I don't know if Baelish wants the throne. I don't think he wants the throne, but I don't know. I really love the way that man works. I really do. I really do. Jorah needs to freaking calm down, relax, and talk to Tyrion, and then go back and get Varys. Because I really don't want Varys to be alone anywhere, but I'm sure he'll be fine. Top 10. So I can go and watch another episode. Let's get this done quickly. Baelish is amazing. I think he is furthering his spot at number 1. So we haven't had this happen yet in Game of Thrones, but in other shows, number 1 is the highest you can be, but you can distance yourself. I kind of like to think of this like a track race, or a race, just a race in general. So, like, everybody is a decent amount ahead of each other, but it's not, like, drastic. So, like, if you're running a race, I would say Lord Baelish is probably, like, 400 meters ahead of Tyrion. Now, he's distanced himself from the number 2 spot, which means he's safer at the number 1 spot. Tyrion's going to maintain here. Everybody else is pretty close. Things can drastically change. Like, I don't expect them to fall. Really, I think 4 to 10 is pretty all clumped together. And then 1 to 3 is all clumped together. We might not have a change this episode. We shall see. I really think Cersei's going to fall. Actually, I said I think she's going to fall, but her role, as discovered in this episode, was pretty big and pretty deadly. It seems like she has made a friend, and that friend is pretty dangerous. But she has not done enough to pass Daenerys at all. So she's going to stay at 4. Arya wasn't in this episode. Varys was. He didn't really do anything, but he's going to stay there. Marjorie's going to stay there. Jon is going to stay there. Sansa and Jaime. So we're going to have everybody is going to maintain their spot. Yes, top 10s can stay the same. That doesn't make them pointless. Somebody said that to me. What is the point in having a top 10 if it doesn't change? That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Because top 10s don't have to change. But this is your top 10. It's going to maintain into the next episode, which is 5, and I think I'm going to watch it today. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you have not already. Check out links, description to Instagram, Twitter, Patreon. You can get videos very, 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 very early. If you want to know how early you can get these videos, I am watching this video, or I made this video, watched this episode, Monday, February 11th. So if you get this video and you're like, holy shit, it's freaking February, or it's March, something like that, whenever you get this video, that's the difference that I'm making these videos at and compared to when you're getting them. So join the Patreon if you're interested. Down in the description, down below. See y'all next time.